Typically, a basic tea-seed oil processing line includes equipment such as cleaning machines, pressing machines, filtering systems, and refining units. Prices for these setups can range from a few $1,000s to over $100,000. For small-scale operations, simpler machines that handle lower volumes may be sufficient and more affordable. On the other hand, large-scale industrial processors often require advanced machinery with higher capacities and more sophisticated controls. The choice of manufacturer also plays a crucial role in determining the overall cost. Renowned brands might offer better quality and after-sales service, but could charge premium prices. Conversely, additionally, customization is another factor influencing costs. Some suppliers allow buyers to tailor their equipment according to specific needs. It's important to conduct thorough research before making any purchase decision. Consider visiting trade shows, reading reviews, comparing quotes from different vendors, and even negotiating terms if possible. Remember, while initial investment costs are significant, long-term operational efficiency, durability, and output quality should weigh heavily in your decision-making process. Ultimately,